Term chromatography is derived from Greek chroma meaning color and graphane meaning to write. In this process, we apply the mixture to be separated on a stationary phase, solid or liquid. And a pure solvent such as water or any gas is allowed to move slowly over the stationary phase, carrying the components separately as per their solubility in the pure solvent. Now what is mobile and stationary phases? Mobile phase. The mobile phase refers to the liquid or gas, which flows through a chromatography system, moving the materials to be separated at different rates over the stationary phase. Stationary phase. It refers to the solid or liquid phase of a chromatography system on which the materials are to be separated. Some uses of chromatography. Chemical analysis. Scientists use chromatography to figure out what substances are in a mixture, like identifying the ingredients in food or checking for drugs in blood samples. Purification. It helps in getting pure chemicals from a mixture, like making sure medicines are safe and effective. Quality control. Industries use it to make sure products like medicines, food, and cosmetics meet high-quality standards. Environmental testing. It's used to check for pollutants in the air, water, and soil to keep our environment clean. Forensic science. Chromatography can help solve crimes by identifying substances found at crime scenes. In the next video we will study the different types of chromatography. Stay connected for the next content.